This sign came in. I don't know what it says. La Torre. La Torre. Okay, so that neon is gonna come out. Those things there also are gonna come out. And this is what the client wants to put there with neon on top. So it's gonna look something like this. But with neon on the yellow letters. So that's the job. I'll be taking videos as I go. So I'm gonna start working on this sign. And the first thing I'm gonna do is take out this neon. Yes, if I can find my wire cutters. That's the first thing. Now the second thing is to take out the supports. These things. There it is. Now I have to flip it over or flip it sideways. This is the back side of the sign. So I'm going to take out the back part. It has a ton of screws all over. I'm going to take them out. That's it. Now, oh, one more here. So now I'm gonna uncover the back. I'm going to unscrew this thing. And then also, I'm going to take out the PK housing. Same to the other one. I already took out the wire. So I'm just going to take out the housing. Now to test the neon to see if it's good. I'm going to use one of these testers. And it's not good. Doesn't light up at all. So the neon's not good. But it says here red. Somebody wrote down the red, which means it has neon gas. So this one can be reused. It could be repaired and repumped, and no problem. Now I'm going to test the transformer to see if it's good. I'm going to test it with a unit of the unit that I know does work. You just have to plug the power. And it does work. How about that? Now the question is, will this transformer power the new neon that's going to go in this sign? I don't know yet. Now the other thing I have to do is take out this vinyl. I already took 2 of them, and it's going to be a problem because there are a lot of them.